linking shapes. You can create mind map using PowerPoint. Okay, now I create a new slide here. Now insert an object, for example, delete these things. Okay, and duplicate this object, Control D. Okay, I drag in there. For this here, image processing. Okay, I put text here, image processing. Image processing includes editing, new image creation. Okay, then editing includes cropping, coloring. Okay, like this. Now this is the main title. Okay, under this title, editing and image creation. Okay, then we have to link these two objects and these two objects. Then how to do? Then go to insert and go to shapes. Here choose line. Okay, then here just click and put on this part. Okay, now you can drag anywhere, and this line is not visible, so I more weight to this one. Okay, and you can drag and drop anywhere. Okay, go to insert and shapes, here line, and from, okay, and also coloring also is a part of editing. Okay, then I insert another link, and from here to here. Okay, and I want to increase the weight of this line. Then how to do? Just click on this object and go to home and forward painter, then just click, then forward painter, then just click. That's all. Now you can drag anywhere. Okay, likewise you can create your own mind map using PowerPoint. For image processing, so many open source software are available. For example, GMP, Paint.net, Inkscape, Digicam, Krita, that, and MS Paint also simple software, user friendly software for image processing.